In this guide, you'll learn how to create a quiz assignment in Google Classroom. First, go to the Classwork tab and click the Create button. From the drop-down menu, select Quiz Assignment. Next, choose the class and students you want to assign the quiz to. Give your quiz a clear title and write detailed instructions so students understand what to do. Then, choose a point value or select Ungraded from the drop-down menu, depending on how you want to assess the quiz. Set a due date to let students know when the quiz needs to be completed. You can also assign an existing topic or create a new one to keep your classwork organized. After that, click on the quiz file to open and edit it in Google Forms, where you can customize your questions and settings. Once everything is ready, click the Assign button to publish the quiz to your students. It will appear in their stream. You can also click on the quiz later to view individual student responses and track their progress. That's it. You now know how to create and assign a quiz in Google Classroom.